are going to discuss the most important MCQs for class 8th from the full syllabus of science. So first one is, which gas is a supporter of combustion? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Gurman?
Oxygen.
Which flame is a hottest? Yellow flame, blue flame, red flame or green flame? Yes, Shaurya?
Blue flame.
Which part of the flame is a hottest one? Innermost zone, outermost zone, middle zone, bottom zone. Yes, Gurman?
Outermost zone.
Which type of reproduction involves two parents? Asexual, vegetative, sexual or binary fission? Vansh?
Sexual reproduction.
Fertilization that occurs inside the female body is called external fertilization, internal fertilization, double fertilization, artificial fertilization. Yes, Gurman?
Internal fertilization.
Which hormone controls adolescence in boys? Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroxine. Shaurya?
Testosterone.
Sudden increase in a height during adolescence is called growth spurt, puberty, development, maturity. Yes, Gurman?
Growth spurt.
SI unit of force is dyne, Newton, Joule, Pascal. Yes, Gurman?
Newton.
Force applied per unit area is called pressure, density, energy, power. Vansh?
Pressure.
Which device converts sound energy into electrical energy? Loudspeaker, microphone, bell, earphone. Yes, Shaurya?
Microphone.
Sound cannot travel through air, water, steel, vacuum. Yes, Shaurya?
Vacuum.
The chemical effect of electric current can be seen in plastic, rubber, salt solution, wood. Yes, Gurman?
Salt solution.
Which metal is commonly used for electroplating? Iron, copper, chromium, aluminium. Yes, Gurman?
Chromium.
Lightning is an example of chemical energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy or a heat energy. Yes, Gurman?
Electrical energy.
The device used to protect buildings from lightning is fuse, lightning conductor, switch, transformer. Yes, Gurman?
Lightning conductor.
Image formed by a plane mirror is real, inverted, virtual and erect and enlarged. Yes, Gurman?
Virtual and erect.
Splitting of white light into 7 colors is called reflection, refraction, dispersion or diffraction. Yes, Vansh?
Dispersion.
Substance that dissolves another substance is called solute, solution, solvent, mixture. Shaurya?
Solvent.
Maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a solvent is called dilute solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, colloid. Yes, Vansh?
Saturated solution.
Which force acts without physical contact? Muscular force, frictional force, gravitational force, mechanical force. Vansh?
Gravitational force.
Transport of food in plants occurs through xylem, phloem, cortex, cambium. Yes, Shaurya?
Phloem.
Minerals in plants are absorbed through leaves, stem, roots, flowers. Yes, Gurman?
Roots.
Which organ pumps blood in the human body? Lungs, brain, heart, kidney. Gurman?
Heart.
Which component of blood fight diseases? RBC, WBC, platelets, plasma. Yes, Gurman?
WBC.
Which vitamin is produced in our body in sunlight? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Shaurya?
Vitamin D.
Deficiency of iodine causes night blindness, scurvy, goiter, rickets. Yes, Gurman?
Goiter.
Rabi crops are sown in summer, rainy season, winter, spring. Gurman?
Winter season.
Which is renewable source of energy? Coal, petroleum, wind, natural gas. Yes, Vansh?
Wind.
Transfer of heat without medium is called conduction, convection, radiation, insulation. Shaurya?
Radiation.
Static electricity is caused due to flow of charges, movement of neutrons, accumulation of charges, heat transfer. Shaurya?
Accumulation of charges.
Smallest unit of an element is molecule, atom, cell, compound. Vansh?
Atom.
Combination of two or more element is called mixture, solution, compound, alloy. Yes, Shaurya?
Compound.
Which mixture can be separated by filtration? Salt in water, sugar in water, sand in water, alcohol in water. Yes, Shaurya?
Sand in water.
Atomic number represents neutrons, protons, electrons only, mass number. Shaurya?
Protons.
Central part of an atom is called electron, proton, nucleus, shell. Yes, Gurman?
Nucleus.
Chemical formula of water is HO, H2O, H2O2, OH. Vansh,
H2O.
symbol of sodium is SO, Na, S or N. Shaurya?
Na.
Which is a physical change? Burning of paper, rusting of iron, melting of ice, cooking food. Yes, Shaurya?
Melting of ice.
Energy possessed by a moving object is potential energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, chemical energy. Yes, Gurman?
Kinetic energy.
Which gas is essential for respiration? Nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen. Yes, Gurman?
Oxygen.
Which substance is used to put out an electrical fire? Water, sand, carbon dioxide, foam. Yes, Shaurya?
Carbon dioxide.
The period of one oscillation is measured in meter, second, hertz, joule. Yes, Shaurya?
Second.
Which mirror is used in vehicles as rear view mirror? Plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, cylindrical mirror. Yes, Vansh?
Convex mirror.
Which solution allows electric current to pass through it? Distilled water, sugar solution, salt solution, oil. Yes, Vansh?
Salt solution.
The process by which plants lose excess water is called respiration, transpiration, photosynthesis, evaporation. Yes, Shaurya?
Transpiration.
Which blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Vein, capillary, artery, valve. Shaurya?
Artery.
The main source of energy on earth is wind, coal, sun, water. Vansh?
Sun.
Which heat transfer method occurs in liquids and gases? Conduction, radiation, reflection, convection. Shaurya?
Convection.
Which particle has no electric charge? Proton, electron, neutron, ion. Yes, Shaurya?
Neutron.
Which method is used to separate iron fillings from sand? Filtration, evaporation, magnetic separation, sedimentation. Yes, Gurman?
Magnetic separation.
Yes, good. So these are the important questions for the class 8 students who are preparing for the class 8 examination. I hope you all like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, Khurana Coaching Classes.